Baumkuchen. I hear myself. What's from Gemma? あったかい。おい、お茶。マネージャーさんが持ってきてくれた。優しい。配信聞いてるからね。Oh, it has the perfect temperature. I love how warm drinks in Japan, when you buy them from the vending machine, the warmth of it, the heat is exactly perfect. It's not like lukewarm or so, and it's not too hot. It's like the perfect temperature. Yeah, Baumkuchen. She brought me Baumkuchen. Japanese people, like somehow in Japan, there's a lot of Baumkuchen being sold everywhere. But Baumkuchen, not my favorite thing. Because it's like just like the cake base. Like there's no coating. Like if there was a sugar or chocolate coating or so, that would be better. And we don't even eat Baumkuchen in Austria. I mean, I don't think we do. Not normally. It's a rare thing. But in Japan, everybody loves Baumkuchen.